Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechSavvy India. Today we will talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you find this video interesting, then please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment for the best feature of this phone. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 has just been announced, and at first glance it might seem a bit puzzling. Compared to Samsung's high-end phones, which are available at the same price, it has smaller and less powerful cameras, slower charging and battery life, and less efficient cooling for the chip. It appears more compact because it folds, but in reality it is thicker, so it occupies the same space as the unfolded phones. Despite these differences, I am still drawn to Z Flip 5. So let's see what's new in this phone. The storage has increased from 128 GB to 256 GB, but the price has also gone up very much. The design is a win as it is now thinner due to the improved hinge mechanism, and the phone now closes without any gap in between the screens. This improvement prevents the dust from entering in between the screens and reducing the scratch of the screens by 25%. This phone's outer body is now protected by strong materials, making it more durable. The phone's cover screen has significantly improved, becoming 278% bigger than Flip 4. It now offers many functions and customizable widgets, making it a useful tool for self-expression and staying organized. Samsung is emphasizing the phone's style and fashion angle, offering a wide range of cases to match your style. The phone also supports various apps on the cover screen, making messaging and quick tasks possible. The phone has various positive aspects, however there are some downsides of this phone. The main display or the inner display has a noticeable crease, and the cover screen's refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz only. And again, that 60 Hz wastes very much battery power. The phone's upgraded chip improves its performance, making it suitable for gaming and demanding tasks. The camera software has also been enhanced, now offering better portrait shots from Z Flip 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 appeals to many people due to its style and functionality. It feels fun to use, and the mindfulness it provides, allowing you to stay connected while staying focused, is a game changer. Its compact size is also a plus for many users, especially for women's clothes with limited pocket space. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers a fresh and distinct experience, and it's no wonder that many people like this flip style phone rather than using the fold style phones in the market. So as per my suggestion, if you want a distinct and unique looking phone, then you should go for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. You will get a good and overall good performance from this phone. However, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I will definitely try to answer all of your questions. That's all for this video. Thank you.